Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the one thing why most people fail in online business. So, before we do get started, this channel is about making money online and passive income and all the things that you can do to do that. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, let's get started. So, the number one reason why people fail in online business is the shiny object syndrome. And that is so common, and I was guilty of this when I first started. I started doing so many different things, and most people do not focus on one single thing. You see, when I first started, I did all these different things, and I didn't do anything until the end. Like, I didn't get through to anything because of that, because you find one thing, and that's not just me, that's so many people, that's most of the people that never ever make any money online, is because they start doing something and then they move on to the next thing because it looks better, and then the next one, and then they do Amazon FBA, then they do affiliate marketing, then they do Shopify, drop shipping, then they do all these different things, and none of these people actually get to the end. What I mean by getting to the end is actually making a decent income. And the reason why this is because all of these things work, but you have to actually get through a learning curve and just, build an audience, build a customer list, and all these things that does take time. It just does. So a lot of people, they start Shopify for example, and they watch these Shopify videos, and then they start their online store. If they do, because that's another reason some people just get stuck in learning mode. But so they do that, and then they just try for a few weeks, and then they realize it doesn't matter. So it doesn't work. Like, they're not making money, they're losing money, and it's just not working out. So what they do is they find someone that's doing Amazon, and this guy's making so much money on Amazon. So what they do is they do Amazon FBA, and then they don't make any money for 3 weeks, and then they say, okay, it's a scam, and then they move on, and then they do affiliate marketing, and they watch videos about affiliate marketing. Maybe it's this channel, by the way, and they try this, and they do the same thing. It doesn't work for 3 months, and they quit. But the reason why they don't make any money is not because they weren't good, or it doesn't work, or it's a scam. The reason why they didn't make any money is because they didn't stick in it for long enough, or they didn't put in the work. If you're willing to do something, whether it's Amazon, Shopify, or affiliate marketing, or any other things, they all work, but you have to put in the work and stick to it. You see, I do YouTube, I put out videos every single day, and it's just the way it is. And I've been doing that for a while now, and I will still be doing it for a very long time. If you're not doing something consistently for at least 2 years, then you're just quitting too soon, basically. If you still see some results in 2 years and you're still not happy with it, then you probably need to push through it to see the real results, because some people are actually making that money. So if you're not making that money, that means you're doing something wrong, or you're not sticking to it long enough. And that's the reason why most people never actually scale or make any money. Some people never make any money. Some people make $10 here and there. But the reason this is because they just don't stick to it long enough, and they don't understand everything. Because to understand everything, you do have to learn from other people, but you also have to learn about yourself and a lot of things that come with it. For instance, on YouTube, if you're not putting out regular content, YouTube is never going to push your videos, you're never going to make any views, and you're not going to make any money, and that's just the way it is. So you have to stick to it long enough. in Shopify, it's the same thing. If you don't learn how to get people to your store, then you're never going to make any money, and that comes with trial and error. Even if you've watched all the videos and taken all the courses, it's still the same thing. So most people just don't stick to it long enough, and that's the biggest reason why most people fail. And I can give you so many examples of this, which I'm not going to do, but you get the point. So if you're just trying a business, make sure that you just stick to it. Don't quit because you're not making any money. If you're doing affiliate marketing, make sure you watch all my videos, or if you're just trying to make money online in general, because that way, that will help you just to push through when you're not making any money. And that's the reason why most people never even get to making money, is because they don't push, because they realize that they're not making any money. So I've rambled on for a bit, but I felt like this was a big thing that I really wanted to share with you guys. Make sure that you push through everything that you're trying to do and focus on one thing and one thing only until you're actually getting the results that you want. So, with that being said, make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I'm posting videos every single day. Also, leave me a comment if you enjoyed this video. If you got any value whatsoever, I'd really like to know. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.